What's up YouTube? Today I got these, the Earstudio HE100 from a company called Redson, and they're very small but just under $100, and I'm very curious to know more about them. If you happen to be in the market for good and relatively cheap pair of earbuds, you better stay around. Alright, so what we have here is the first attempt of a company called Redson to try and push the limits of the, I would say, under $100 earphones and headphones market. And let me tell you something about this company. They released a couple of years ago one of the most amazing products I've ever had in my life. I'm talking about this one. This is the Earstudio HE100. It's a Bluetooth adapter with headphones, amplifier, and 2 DACs inside. And this thing is absolutely amazing. And if they have managed to do the same as they've done with this one, this is going to be a winner. That's for sure. So let's unbox this thing and see what's inside and talk more about them. These are single dynamic driver. And yeah, I mean, I'm looking forward to listen to them and try to understand how good they are. And hopefully they will work great with this one, which I really like. Okay, let's open up the box, see what's inside. Just the box we have here. Some instructions about the driver. And the box, we have this one. Listen details. What does it mean? Nothing special. Here they are. Oh, looking good. Looking very good. Okay, this is the box. We have carrying case inside, and we have a bunch of tips. Okay, so the box is very simple. Yeah, these are the more interesting part of this box. The cable is just a regular cable. I wish it was a disconnected cable. I wish it was possible to replace the cable, but it's not possible. Maybe they will hopefully release another version with a cable that you can disconnect. Okay, so just a cable with a regular 3.5mm jack and the headphones. I hope you can see them. We have the company's logo. Yeah. Alright, let's test them out, and I'm gonna get back to you later on. See ya. With a single dynamic driver and only $89, the HE100 are very good earphones. The sound is very clear, and you get a lot of details. Both male and female vocals sound great. The sound is rich and full and lush and smooth treble, and the bass is punchy, at least for me. I've heard some people saying it's not that good, but for me there is a lot of bass over there, and it sounds punchy and with a lot of presence. So absolutely yes when it comes to the bass. The mids are good and relatively forward. Not that forward, but quite forward, at least for my ears. On the downside, I wish they sounded more airy. They sound really good with vocals and hip hop, but with rock music, when it's complicated, well, they really sound congested. Again, in my only opinion. All in all, they're highly recommended. For what you pay, this is a very good bargain. I mean, under $90 for these? Are you kidding me? Absolutely yes. And yeah, I did get them from Redson. I was one of the lucky people to actually get them. I was really surprised because look how small they are. I mean, look how small they are. And yet you're getting such a big sound. This is unbelievable. So yeah, I totally recommend them for, general music listening and some cool hip hop or vocal sessions. Other than that, complicated music, perhaps you should look somewhere else. But for $90, these are, a great, great, great first attempt by Redson to get into this overcrowded market. And, this company, I really like them for what they're doing, and I hope to see a lot more in the future. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.